Hello, my name is METİN ARIDAŞIR. This is 51st part of explanation of my theory. ARIDAŞIR's new explanation of X-ray continuous spectrum versus wrong Bremsstrahlung concept and accepted physics explanation. 1. According to my theory and my formulas, the energy of successive waves that are produced and propagated by free electron motion form is directly proportional to electron motion form's kinetic energy or electron's velocity. Here, according to my theory and my formulas, this is free electron motion form's energy or free electron motion form's velocity. As it is increasing, wave's energy is increasing, directly proportional. Okay? And remember these formulas. Okay? Point touching energies. These formulas, remember. Okay? Touching energy, point energy, is directly proportional to electron motion form's velocity. Successive waves from relocating free electron motion form, successive waves touching energy in the direction of 0 degree is directly proportional to electron motion form's energy or free electron motion form's velocity. Whereas this is wrong Bremsstrahlung concept of accepted physics. Here, we compare with this. Okay. Waves energy directly proportional. Here, this is photon energy, this is electron energy or electron velocity. Okay. According to Bremsstrahlung explanation of accepted physics, that according to me this is wrong, electron energy or electron velocity inversely proportional to photon energy. But here, waves energy, electron motion forms velocity, this is my graph according to my theory and my formulas, directly proportional. Compare these here. Okay. This is inversely proportional, wrong Bremsstrahlung concept and explanation of accepted physics. This is this side electron velocity or energy, this side photon energy, inversely proportional. But in my theory, directly proportional. Okay. And here, according to accepted physics and Bremsstrahlung, breaking, decelerating force of Coulomb force of nucleus between electron and nucleus Coulomb force. Here, highest deviation, slowest situation of electron, lower energy of electron, lowest energy of electron, and highest energy of photon, inversely. This is energy, another deceleration electron, and this energy higher than this, and its electron its photon energy is smaller, etc. Okay, here relationship inversely proportional. Electron energy 1, energy 2, energy 3, and photon energy 1, energy 2, energy 3. Okay, here. And okay. Whereas, according to accepted physics and its Bremsstrahlung explanation, the energy of a photon that is emitted by an electron is inversely proportional to this electron's kinetic energy. This is wrong according to my theory and my formulas. 2. According to my theory and my formulas, successive wave velocity and wavelength are inversely proportional to electron motion form's velocity. If free electron motion form's velocity approaches the c, here, this point c, speed of light. Okay, and this point c and lambda minus delta lambda. Okay, cosine 0 degree. For lambda minus delta lambda and for c, this is column 4. This column 4, b. B is wave velocity. Successive waves velocity is variable according to my theory and my formulas, and this is my formula. And lambda variable according to my theory and my formula. Okay. And frequency unchanged. Frequency doesn't change. Okay. Unchanged. Yes. Here. Yes. Successive wave velocity and wavelength are inversely proportional to electron motion form's velocity. If free electron motion form's velocity approaches to c, successive waves velocity approaches 0 degrees in the direction of free electron motion forms. 0 degree, remember. In the direction of free electron motion forms motion. And in these conditions, there is a continuous waves graph. But if the free electron motion form's velocity exceeds the speed of light, this is possible, according to my theory and my formula. Continuous spectrum vanishes and wave jets occur. Wave jets occur. And these are my formulas here. Whereas, according to accepted physics and Bremsstrahlung explanation, the speed of photon, here, the speed of photon emitted by an electron doesn't change, okay, doesn't change, while the electron's velocity decreases and the wavelength of the photon emitted by the electron is directly proportional to this electron's velocity. This is photon wavelength. If for accepted physics, Bremsstrahlung explanation, if electron velocity or energy increase, photon wavelength decrease, shrinks, or decrease, yes. Directly proportional this velocity. Now we will compare here. Through the c, speed of light, if electron motion form's velocity increase, wavelength will decrease, okay, and wave velocity will decrease. Compare this here. We say y. Why? Compare two of that. Contradiction. Compare the two of that. Contradiction. My theory and my formulas versus accepted physics Bremsstrahlung explanation. According to my theory and my formula, Bremsstrahlung explanation is wrong. Okay. Here we are. Look at that. If free electron motion form's velocity here, wave velocity in the direction of electron motion here, kilometer per second here, electron velocity, wave velocity in the direction of this point velocity. Now approaching to C, only 1841 km per second wave velocity. Velocity of light is variable. Here we are. Yes. Next, we will go on. I recommend you to watch my first video and step by step another videos, and I recommend you to watch my variable velocity of electron velocity and variable wave velocity, and another subject that I put forth formulas about that. I recommend you to watch my former videos step by step. Have a good evening. See you later.